Hi, my name is Uncle Mark, just working on my 1995 Intrepid. Got an issue, it's blowing warm, it's not blowing cold at all. Like nothing. It's just whatever the temperature is outside. So the air's not working, I gotta check a few things out. I'm gonna be using a simple test light here. This is not even an LED one, this is the old style with the bulb. I think everybody gave us the big scare that, oh, you need an LED. You don't, for most stuff. 99% of the stuff probably. So I'm connecting it to the positive side so that I'm going to be able to find ground. So I'll check it here on the battery, and yeah, test light works, so that's good. Don't want to be checking something and find out, oh, all this time the test light's not working. So this should be a ground here, which it is. That should be also. That's part of, oh, I scratched there a little bit. But the screw itself, like, see this wire here? On this one, it goes up and around and to there, to the eyelet there that goes under the screw. So it's applying ground to this pump. And for some reason, I'm not getting ground to that screw. If that's a good idea, check that. Why not give me the thumbs up? Just so you don't forget. This is what I did. I tried to get them out of there. Pretty tight. Well, you got to figure this car as well. While I'm doing this, this is 2023, so it's 28-year-old vehicle. This might be similar in the, I'm not sure if they have this wire set up like this in the Caravans or not. This will cover a few Dodge models, so I'm thinking probably the Concorde of this year, maybe the Eagle Talon maybe. So I'm just going to clean it up with a wire brush a little bit, just the connection. I'll clean the back of the bracket as well. Well, here, I'm going to do the eyelet of the wire, the ground wire. Try and do both sides of that. Just a little faster with my electric drill. That looks good. Try and put this all back together. Then we'll do some tests. See if this helps or not. Because I know for sure the coolant, I don't think this is Freon in here. I believe it's either the R12, which is stuff you can buy anywhere, or it's something else. Now this is deoxide, you won't have any of this probably, but it's just an electrical connector cleaner. I'm just going to spray it in there and make sure everything's nice and clean. But just the fact that I think we cleaned and tried to make a good ground. Oh, neighbors honking. Howdy, neighbors. This has got to help something. I just hope the pump comes on after this, because there was no ground here. So got the radio going as well. AC lights on with the car running. The light used to work anyway. And oh wow, look at that. The pump is running at least. So that's good. So that was the issue before. I've had this car like a year and that's never worked. So I'm just going to double check. Hopefully that was our problem. And we've got ground. Oh, got ground, at least the screw there. So there you go. Hopefully that was your problem and that helped you out quite a bit. And that should work. And yep, it's nice and cool. Ready for summer. Even on a little higher speeds there. And that should do it. That was easy. I don't know, it probably won't be that easy for you, but it's something to check on your older vehicle. I was shocked that that's what was the problem with this one. Anyway, if you like it, give me the thumbs up. You can also subscribe down in the corner as well. And I'll put a link up in the description here. Just above the blue circle there, the flashing yellow light, will be more videos on the Chrysler Intrepid or Dodge Intrepid if you are in the States. And I don't know what they call this car in other places too. And it'll be similar probably with the Concorde. And was there an Eagle Vision too? That might have been something very similar. Anyway, check that out as well. Nice to have you with us for a few minutes. Hopefully it helped you out. Longer videos on my channel as well. Until next time, you and your family stay safe. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you liked the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Until next time, you and your family stay safe. Cool. Working now. Looks like 84,000 miles. Refrigerant in there was up, so that wasn't the problem. Anyway,